Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this course Combinatorics. So, if you love problem solving a lot and you want to develop analytical skills, then I believe this course can be very useful and of course very interesting as well. So, in this course, we are going to cover many topics, but initially I choose these 7 chapters to begin with. And in these chapters, if you are studying in school, I think chapter 1, which is mainly depends on permutation, combination, other counting problems. So you can only go through chapter 1. For basic undergraduation course, you can go till chapter 4, and sometimes at some places chapter 5 is also included in undergraduation course. And if you are looking for a post graduation course, then you need to go through all 7 chapters. So I will start chapter 1 in the next lecture, but just to give you a flavor of this course, we will see that how do we solve this problem, which is a typical combinatorial problem. So it says that determine maximum among all numbers which you obtain by deleting 100 digits from this number. So during this course, I suggest that you must try to solve a question by yourself first, and then you can look for the answer. So if you are solving it, then I am showing you the answer and you can verify. Now let's see how do we approach this problem. So to approach this problem, let's quickly compute the number of digits it has. So there are 9 single digits. Then you can see that there are 92 digits numbers and 1 3 digits number. So total 192. But more important observation here is that when you are computing the maximum, then the number must start with 9. It means that to solve this problem, we need to delete the digits in such a way that we have as many 9s as possible in the start. So for example, it's good to delete these 8 digits because I get my first 9. So it means that after deleting 8 digits, this is what I got. So next is to delete 10, 11, 12 and so on 18, and in 19 we just delete 1. So total these are 19 digits, and therefore if I do minus 19, so I will get 2 9s, and starting with 20, 21 and so on. Then 3 9 and 4 9, so 3 9 is starting with 30, 4 9 is starting with 40. So minus 19, and let's try to delete minus 19 again. So I have 5 9s. So now this total is 84. It means 16 more digits need to be deleted. So the number which I have is 5 9s now. Then 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and so on. So to delete 16, let me delete 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 12 digits, it means I have 9999, and I'm deleting 12 digits, so 4 more need to be deleted: 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and so on. Now to delete 4 more, there are two choices. Either I delete in the continuation the same way we were doing, so I delete 5, 6 and 5, 7, so I have 5, 8, 5, 9, and 5 nines are there. But instead of this, if I delete 5, 6, 5 and this 5, then I would have the 5 nines, and the next number is 7, 8, 5, 9, and so on. So you can clearly see that here I have 5, 8, 5, 9, but here I have 7, 8, 5, 9. So of course this one is larger. So we deleted till 5, 6 because in 50, 51, 52 and so on, after 5 the next digit is smaller than 5 till 55, then next is 56, so I don't have any other choice. I deleted 6 also, but after that there was a choice, and by making this choice we found that this is the maximum number which we are looking for. So in this course we will be solving many exercises and having different levels: simple, then medium, and then difficult. So see you again in the next lecture. Thank you.